Good morning, students. Today I am going to teach about the topic is numbers, addition and subtraction. Example, in a school 1232 students travel by cycle. 2430 students travel by school bus and 1235 walk on foot to the school. How many students are there in the school? Here listen. In a school, number of students travel by cycle, how much? 1232. And number of students travel by school bus, 2430. And number of students coming to school on foot, 1235. Now you add all the values. 2 plus 5 is equal to 7. 3 plus 3 is equal to 6. 6 plus 3 is equal to 9. 2 plus 4 is equal to 6. 6 plus 2 equal to 8. 1 plus 2 equal to 3. 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. So the total number of students is equal to 4897. Exercise 2.6, filling the boxes. 4634 plus dash is equal to 4634. Now you add the value of 0. So 4634 plus 0 equal to 4634. Next, 2134 plus 1 equal to 2134 plus 1. So 2135. Next, 5349 plus 0 equal to 5349. Next, 1435 plus 1923 equal to, here 1923 is given. So plus 1435 you can write here. Next, 3457 plus 1 equal to 3458. 7 plus 1 equal to 8. Add 3254 plus 1424. 4 plus 4 equal to 8. 5 plus 2 equal to 7. 2 plus 4 is equal to 6. 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. Answer 4678. Next question. 2135 plus 3342. 5 plus 2 is equal to 7. 3 plus 4 is equal to 7. 1 plus 3 is equal to 4. 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. Answer 5477. 3762 plus 3137. 2 plus 7 is equal to 9. 6 plus 3 equal to 9. 7 plus 1 is equal to 8. 3 plus 3 is equal to 6. Answer 6899. Next question. 1433 plus 4552. 3 plus 2 equal to 5. 3 plus 5 is equal to 8. 4 plus 5 is equal to 9. 1 plus 4 is equal to 5. Answer 5985. Add 2713 plus 104 plus 1172 plus 6010. Now you add all the values. 2713 plus 104. 104 plus 1172. 1172 plus 6010. Okay. 3 plus 4 is equal to 7. 7 plus 2 is equal to 9. 1 plus 7 equal to 8. 8 plus 1 is equal to 9. 7 plus 1 is equal to 8. 8 plus 1 is equal to 9. 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. 3 plus 6 is equal to 9. So answer is 9999. A man visited a furniture shop. He bought a bed for rupees 2100. A dining table for rupees 3500 and 6 chairs for rupees 4200. How much money did he pay to the shopkeeper? Cost of bed is equal to 2100. Cost of dining table is equal to 3500. Cost of chair is equal to 4200. 0 plus 0 plus 0 equal to 0. 0 plus 0 plus 0 equal to 0. 1 plus 5 is equal to 6. 6 plus 2 equal to 8. Next 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. 5 plus 4 is equal to 9. So how much money did he pay to the shopkeeper? 9800. Create word problem for the addition facts given below. 3094 plus 7923 equal to 11017. Second question. 8309 is equal to 2309 is given. Okay. Here listen. 3094 plus 7923 equal to 11017. We create the problem. Word problem. Ravi sold 3094 toys on the first day and 7923 toys on the second day. How much did he sold in total? Okay. Next question. 8309 equal to 2309 plus box. Here 2309 is given. Here listen. So what do you do? We do subtraction. 8309 minus 2309. 9 minus 9 equal to 0. 0 minus 0 equal to 0. 3 minus 3 equal to 0. 8 minus 2 equal to 6. Okay. 6000. Now you add the two values. 6000 plus 2309. 0 plus 9 is equal to 9. 0 plus 0 equal to 0. 0 plus 3 equal to 3. 6 plus 2 equal to 8. 8309. Create addition stories using the pictures and numbers given below. Students, you do the homework. Next question. Childbirth between 2017 and 2018 are given below. District children. Tirchi, urban 1032, rural 2030. Ariyallur, urban 1205, rural 4097. Kanjipuram, urban 2104, rural 4034. Chennai, urban 1430, rural 1023. So now you make the question. What is the total number of urban children in Tirchi, Chennai and Kanjipuram? Okay. Next question. The number of urban and rural children in Ariyallur is 1205, 4097. What is the total number of children present in Ariyallur? Next question. Filling the circle using 1400, 1500, 1600, 1700, 1800 and 1900. So that the three numbers along each line add to 5000. Okay. Here listen. Any three values we add, the answer is 5000. Okay. Now you add the three values. 1900 plus 1600 plus 1500 is equal to 5000. 1700 plus 1800 plus 1500 is equal to 5000. 1700 plus 1400 plus 1900 is equal to 5000. Filling the box. 2051, 1732 is given. Now you find out the another number. So 2051 minus 1732 equal to 390. Now you add the two values. 1732 plus 319 equal to 2051. 2 plus 9 is equal to 11. 1. Next remain 1. 1 plus 3 is equal to 4. 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. 7 plus 3 is equal to 10. 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. Do you understand clearly, students? Okay. Thank you. Today class is over.